So guys, the Hamster Kombat has bought a new update where you are going to play a small puzzle and then you are going to complete that particular task. So can this be the task on the basis of which we are going to get the airdrop like Pixelverse did? So it has completely deducted the coins which we have. It just focused on the levels and the battles which you were playing, and this is the exact thing we told you in all our Pixelverse videos, that focus on the battle, use the battle thing to increase your token, level up your levels which is present on your profile. In spite of that, many people haven't done that and they are disheartened right now. I know you. So now in the Hamster Kombat, don't be a part of those people and complain at the end of the airdrop distribution happens. So in this video we'll be talking about this particular game, how you can complete it. I know it's not easy like other things we do, and does actually the profit per hour, the coin balance, the levels is actually going to benefit us, because we know the Hamster Kombat users are in 239 million users, and if they distribute the tokens, and they will be almost distributing 10 to 20 billion USDT as a distribution of airdrop. Can that exactly happen, or will they drastically remove or slash everyone like Pixelverse did? So it's an important thing you have to notify and you should be noticing, and in this video I'll be telling regarding all that thing. Once you get the understanding, you will be eligible for all the airdrops. And like Pixelverse, almost my subscribers were eligible, where the less number of people who haven't watched the video till the end or who haven't followed our steps were at last slashed out of the airdrop. So welcome back to another video, guys. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also join our Telegram channel. All the links and updates related to our videos will be posted to you on our Telegram channel itself. So first and foremost, I will be opening up the bot itself and then I'll be explaining you how to complete it. So sometimes even I miss out completing it because the timing is very less, and this might be a crucial update so that they can slash out almost millions of users from the hamster, so that they can distribute to little number of persons who are there in the hamster like the Pixelverse did. So that's why this is an important update, because the game has been launched one day before and many people are already knowing about it, but some people might have neglected it, and this is the thing which you shouldn't be doing it. I'll be telling you, and what else can be important than the game, so that we'll be not slashed out, we'll be not removed from the airdrop category. So finally, when the time of distribution comes, at that moment even the Pixelverse did not give any of the you can say direct information, so they twisted all that thing. But we messaged you, we have given you the proper information, which many of you have taken it and which many of you haven't. So talking about the profit per hour, first and foremost, they might be bringing up a thing that you must at least have 1 million profit per hour. That means that you are qualified for that. So make sure you are having 1 million and above, and each and everyone has one or other you can say numbers which is greater than other people. For now, they have brought the mini game. You have to do the daily combo, daily reward. I will be doing it later. So after this video, I'll be doing it. You know how to do that. I'll be not focusing over that. The mini game which they have brought, you have to move and you can make the key pass out. So let me try it and do. So I'll be telling you how exactly you're going to solve this particular. First and foremost, you will be getting the screenshot of that puzzle in the Twitter handle, and also I'll be sharing up in the Knightron discussion group. Once you get the screenshot of that, you can easily analyze. So if you open the game and analyze for yourself, the timer will be running out and you cannot solve it. That's 100% you can say the fact thing. You cannot solve it if you are not that you can say quick. So if you get the screenshot, which I'll be sharing up in the Twitter handle and in the Knightron discussion, you can easily get, just search on the Hamster Kombat new game. You'll be getting the screenshot, and some of the videos will also be there. I'll be sharing up after I solve that quiz. I'll be sharing up that particular video in the Knightron discussion group. So once you do that, you can easily solve. Don't go directly to the game and you can say you challenge yourself of solving that. You will be missing out that opportunity. So after that, one more thing which I want to specify, which many people are neglecting, is the specials. If you go to the special thing here, and you can see the missed opportunity, some of the the cards which I have missed. So these cards you should not be missing it out. So they will be telling you that if you are holding these cards you are eligible, or else you are not eligible, like Pixelverse, something or other you can say they will be bringing up, so that they can slash out many people. So first and foremost, new cards, whatever in this special it will be coming up, you should be claiming it. Whatever tokens you are spending, it's okay, you claim that and do all the regular things which you do, which we always do. So some special or different things you should be doing it, so that you are amongst the ones which will be receiving the airdrop. And many people will be slashed out because of this, because they do what other common people are doing. And if you count the common people, there are 239 million users, and additional they are coming up. So the distribution won't be happening for so many people. You have to agree with me, I have made a separate video. If the distribution happens to all that users, even it lists on Binance how much profit you can expect, and how much you can say the dollars will be distributed in the market in the form of airdrop, which will be the biggest distributions in the history of the airdrop, which will be in the billions, 10, 20, 25 billion dollars will be distributed. That is impossible to happen in the airdrop category.